Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Inform video. In today's video, we're talking about, some major competition between, T-Mobile and Visible Wireless. So Visible Wireless, of course, is owned by Verizon, which is the #1 carrier in the United States. And of course, T-Mobile is one of their core competitors. But this is straight up just Visible doing some major, I should say, shots fired at T-Mobile and trying to get their customers. So let's get into it, guys. If you go to visiblewireless.com, you can check out the website. It says T-Mobile customer. So this is for only T-Mobile customers. If you are T-Mobile customer, they're talking to you. It says bring your #2 Visible. Pay $15 a month, guaranteed for 5 years, guys. Holy snap. Big savings, guys. So for $15, I couldn't even believe it. For $15 a month, you can get a limited talk, text, and data on Visible Wireless network, which, like I said, is on Verizon's network. So another cool thing with this is it is price guaranteed, or price locked guaranteed for 5 years. But we'll get more into that, little terms and conditions part of it. But it says, of course, when you check out, you have to use Bye T-Mo at checkout. So basically, Bye T-Mobile is what it stands for. Just use that promo code, as you can see it here in the screen, at checkout to get that discount. So it says terms apply. So let's do view terms. It says new members bring your own device and port in from T-Mobile. So there is, like I said, some caveat to this stuff. So it says you have to be a new member. Whoops. You have to bring your own device. So let me see if I can use a little pen here. Yep. Okay, cool. Let's just get into it. But how do I erase this thing? Okay, cool. So new members, this is going to be a BYOD, guys. So you have to bring your own device. It cannot be a phone that you purchase from Visible Wireless. It has to be, like I said, a BYOD. So you have to bring that phone in from T-Mobile. So make sure that that phone is unlocked. You have to unlock it, and you have to be able to bring it over to T-Mobile. Of course, you have to port in from T-Mobile. So like I said, T-Mobile is the one that they're targeting. So make sure that you do bring it in from T-Mobile. Get $10 off of the Visible plan, guaranteed for 5 years, guys. So $10 savings. So this, of course, for that $15 plan, it's the $25 monthly plan. So it's $25 for their basic unlimited talk, text, and data, but you get $10 off of that plan. Of course, you can do the other one, which is $45 and get $10 off, and get it for $35, which actually I think is a better deal in my opinion. So but it says a promo code bye. So like I said, that is a promo code right there. Bye T-Mo required at checkout. So when you check out, make sure you are using that promo code. So four steps right here, as you can see. Says new members join Visible via bring your own device. So like I said, it has to be a BYOD. Transfer your number from T-Mobile postpaid account within 30 days of transaction. So here we go, guys. So you guys can see it. I'm guessing maybe not a prepaid carrier, so you cannot be a T-Mobile prepaid. They want a postpaid carrier. So it has to be from T-Mobile, official T-Mobile, not Metro or anything else like Simple Mobile or whatever. So it has to be T-Mobile postpaid. So, and within 30 days of the transaction. So you have to bring your number over from T-Mobile within 30 days. Select the monthly plan, Visible plan. Enter the promo code bye at checkout. Set up your SIM and activate your device, and that is basically it. So 4 steps, pretty easy there. It says limited time offer. If you do not port your eligible phone number within 30 days of joining Visible, the promotion will be removed from your account. Wow. So basically, it's saying when you check out, guys, yes, you can get that promo code. You can use that promo code, and you will get that discount of $10 off per month. But if you do not port your number over from T-Mobile within 30 days, you will drop and lose that promotion. So it says new members that bring your own device. And here's a little bit more information right here. So that was horrible, my bad. It says new members that bring their own device and port in from T-Mobile postpaid account qualify to receive $10 off of the $25 a month Visible plan. New members must use the promo code bye T-Mo at checkout to qualify. This $10 off discount on the $25 a month Visible plan is guaranteed for 5 years and is reflected as a $10 discount off the normal $25 a month plan. Promo does not apply to the annual plan, so Visible does have a monthly and an annual, so it does not apply to the annual plan. or Visible Plus plan. Ooh, so never mind. Like I said, when I make these videos, I like to do my honest reaction with you guys, and I would think that they would give it to you on the Visible Plus plan, but it's only available on the $25 plan, which we'll go over, guys. It's not that bad of a plan, but we'll go over it and I'll give you my honest opinions. I honestly don't recommend the $25 monthly plan, so you know, for heavy users, I would not recommend this promo. But if you're just needing for talking text, it's a perfect promo. It sucks that it's not available on the Visible Plus plan, because that one's definitely the one you want to go with, because it has priority data and a lot of other things we'll get to in just a little bit. Members must maintain service on the Visible plan for 5 years to get full benefit of promotion. If members switch to a non-eligible plan or terminate Visible service, members forfeit any remaining promotional benefit. So if you switch your plan to the Visible Plus plan, you will lose that discount. Or if you port your number out, whatever remaining credits that you would supposed to get, let's say you only kept it for 2 years and you port it out, of course you won't get the remaining credits. That's simple enough. Promo is not transferable, not redeemable for cash. It has no cash value. Promo applies to service charge, and the member is responsible for all applicable taxes and fees, guys. Wow. So it says void where prohibited, taxes otherwise restricted. Visible reserves a right to. Here's the one thing I need you guys to read. Visible reserves the right to change or terminate this offer anytime, guys. What? So yeah, even though they say 5 years, it's a little sus. So they say they have the rights to basically terminate this thing. Maybe they're losing too much money on it. They're like, you know what? I'm only going to give it to you for a year or 3 years or 6 months. And they have the right to do that. So that's kind of a little sus on their part. So it says with or without any notice. So one day or 1 month your bill might just skyrocket. Well, you know, $10, but still. So include any violation of Visible's terms and condition. If Visible is sole discretion determines that a member has engaged in abuse, misuse, or gaming in connection with this offer, or that member intends to do so, Visible reserves the right to disqualify the member. Wow. So like I said, guys, it's a BYOD promo, so you cannot buy phone. Here, let's look at the plans, guys. Let's really look into this. We're going to look at the plan. Of course, like I said, there's an annual plan, but that does not qualify. And then there's a monthly plan. So we're going to get into it. Let's go ahead and check this out. And let me get the little pen back out. So this is the plan that they're talking about. It's a $25 a month plan. This is the one I highly recommend. And of course, it is the best, better than ever. They changed some things. But remember, for this promo, we're looking at this one. So let's look at the network first. So the network, it's unlimited data, talk, text, and on Verizon's 5G and 4G LTE networks, blocks high-risk spam and robocalls. Pretty cool. Mobile hotspot. Now, this is pretty cool. You get unlimited use of the phone as a Wi-Fi connection. So unlimited hotspot. International unlimited talk and text to Mexico and Canada. So you can see that's it. Now, if we get to the $45 Visible Plus plan, which is the one I would honestly recommend, even though the promo doesn't apply for it, you do get, of course, in the network, you get unlimited premium data on Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network, our fastest. Priority data is the best thing because it basically makes your speeds go a lot faster. If you don't have any priority, guys, your phone is almost useless. It's very, very congested if you live in an area with high dense population. Now you do get 50 gigabytes of premium data. So remember, you get unlimited premium data on the ultra wideband, but if you're on the 5G or 4G LTE network, you get 50 gigs of premium data. What I do like about this is, let's say you live next to a 5G ultra wideband tower or at work, mainly you're gonna get this. They put ultra wideband near businesses. With Visible, compared to other carriers, is you do get unlimited ultra wideband premium data. So it's pretty cool. It does not count towards the 50 gigabytes of premium data that you get on the 5G and 5G network. Blocks high risk data or spam and robocalls. Save $10 a month on Verizon's home internet. Smartwatch service included. Save $10. That's a pretty cool thing. That was $10 before, but now you get that. So if you want this, if you have a Apple Watch or a Samsung Watch or a Google Watch and you want service on it, it's free now. It says unlimited hotspot, unlimited use of your phone as a Wi-Fi connection at twice the speed. So I believe this was 5 megabits per second. Now you get it at 10 megabits per second, which is actually fast, guys. It's unlimited, but you can only get it at 10, which should be plenty. Now let's look at it in the international. You get another big international more international than you do over here. You get unlimited talk and text in Mexico and Canada, unlimited talk and text, and 2 gigabytes of data per day in Mexico and Canada. Calling to 30 plus countries and unlimited texting to 200 plus. 1 global pass day per month included, $10. Wow, savings. So 1 global pass day per month included. That's actually pretty good, guys. Basically, if you guys don't know what the global pass is, global pass, and here we go. Here's more information on this. Is we'll get into that basically, but limited hotspot, and yep, like I said, it is capped at 10 megabits per second. Video streams at SD, but it is nice to have. So pretty cool there. Global Pass basically gives you Global Pass is your ticket to coverage in 140 plus countries, access unlimited talk and text plus high-speed data every day. You're abroad. Visible Plus members automatically receive 1 complimentary day per month. Complimentary day pass expires at the end of each service. And do not roll over the next month. Oh, okay. So basically, they give you 1 global pass per day, and it does not roll over. Spam protection, free expedited business day shipping, and save $10 a month off the home internet. So pretty cool stuff there. So overall, like I said, yes, it's a savage move for Visible to try to attract T-Mobile customers, but remember, you will only get the smaller unlimited plan. You cannot get the Visible Plus plan. But overall, if it works out for you and you're saving quite a bit of money, I think it's worth it. For $15 a month for Verizon's network, like I said, now you won't have priority date on it, but still you will get Verizon's network. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, check out the description below for a lot more videos, and to ways to support the channel. Just help me and let me know in the comments what you think. Are you on T-Mobile? When you think about Visible Wireless, and even at this price at $45, is it that I told you a couple of things about it, does it catch your attention? So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you so much. Dragonic Warfare signing off. Thank you.